need to take time out of our busy lives and appreciate our land-dwelling habitats. Whether it's a national park or the home garden, environmental inspiration surrounds us. This aspect of our environment needs our attention now. I challenge you to help me showcase this unique, powerful and critical part of our planet. It's the simple things in our environment that can be the difference in saving our planet for future generations. Come on guys, it's time to make a difference.